Hi there, I'm Mary Susie from Bead Me a Story, and today I'm going to show you how to keep your Rhinestone Montees from getting hooked on your sweaters and clothes. Sometimes these little prongs that are in the front can be slightly loose. You can always use your pliers to push these little prongs down, but even still, if you like to wear knitwear, as you're wearing these can occasionally get hooked to your clothing. So I've come up with a solution for that. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some UV resin. This is one of the ones that's hard, and so you want to look for that. There's a couple really good kinds, and you can watch different YouTube videos of people comparing different types of resin to decide which one's the best for you. The other thing you want to watch for is that it's a non-yellowing, okay? And this one in all the descriptions states that it's a non-yellowing, okay? So anytime we use the UV resin, we're just gonna take a tiny bit out. We're gonna put a little dot. I've cut up little squares of paper to put this on. Just make sure it's flat. And we can only use a little tiny bit at a time. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a toothpick, okay, and get a little bit on the tip. And then basically I'm just going to kind of touch where the prong meets the rhinestone, okay? And I'm trying to get as little as possible on. I've just a little bit balled up there, okay? And go slow with this. This is a patient process of just applying a little tiny bit to each prong. Now, the reason I don't put it over the entire surface of the rhinestone is I don't want to lose that sparkle and shimmer. Okay, I want it to be seen. Okay, so you can see I did one full rhinestone there, and maybe let's just try another one. Okay, just a little tiny bit. You get better at this as you go along, but again, you want to move real slowly. Don't be in a hurry when you're doing this, because you don't want to get a big glob on there. The nice part about using UV resin, though, is if you do happen to get a big glob on there, you have time to clean it off and start over, okay? So now that I have this on a couple of these, and I could have gone further, you might need to put a new little dot down so it does start thickening up just a little bit. But now that I'm ready with this, all I want to do, I've got my UV light right here, and you can see that turn on a little bit as I tuck things inside there, okay? And then I'm just going to turn that on for, I usually do about 1.5 minutes just to get it set. And for each rhinestone, I like to run it through about 2 times to really set it to be super hard. And then that's all there is to it. You don't have to worry about your rhinestones getting snagged on your clothing anymore, because you basically filled in the little gap that's between the prong and the rhinestone. So I hope this is helpful to you. I tried to keep it really short and sweet with this, but I wanted to share this technique with you so that you could do all sorts of your different rhinestone projects. Let me just move this away. We're not getting this light. You can do all sorts of rhinestone projects. You notice these are smaller Montees. It doesn't matter. And I've even done it on Preciosa Montees, which these are. And I carry, and these are Swarovski Montees, okay? And you can use it on Preciosa as well. So it doesn't really matter. And again, you're just covering the prong, so you're trying to leave the beauty of the rhinestone for all to see. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you like this video, please check out some of my free tutorial videos that show you how to make lots of projects. And for rhinestone kits like these, go ahead and visit beadmeastory.com. And I have kits. Many of them come with videos to show you how to load the rhinestones onto jump rings and to integrate chainmail into it. So it's a really fun type of project to make, and I hope you'll join me sometime. So thanks so much. Be sure to like and follow me on YouTube.